lawyer's cap is telling me so every time you don't need proof. Every time I don't need proof. Sometimes you have to accept things. Sometimes magic happens and you move at the right path. So don't always have a stubborn thing that you need proofs. Accept everything and move ahead.
So dear friends, I'm sure this video has added value to your lives. And yes, we are committed towards your improvement. Hence our tagline is I win when you win. So do share this video to all your loved ones, your friends, your colleagues, so that their lives also can become better and better. So like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. We are here for you because I win